That's better.
Oh. Hi guys. Well, look at us back outside here. We're gonna go on a nature walk, see what we find. This is my weapon for the night.
With no bullets in it?
It has one,
Oh,
and it's
okay.
jammed. So
Awesome.
that just works even better. What's going on? I smell some critters tonight, boys. All right, guys, this is the post. This means that the trail is this way. Tonight we're gonna go look for some raccoons.
Hi, Josh Klug.
All right, guys, we're almost here.
There's bats out here.
I know, there's a lot of things out here. Okay, cut. Oh, no. Like, all right, guys, so we're out here. Give them a little tour of the forest. This is where we're at. Yeah, let's get going. All right, guys, we're here. What is that? Do you think she'll find me here? Okay, hold on. Where's the children? Where's the children? Gotcha, bitch! Down, boy! What's your name? What's your name?
Ticks.
Tiggs! All right, guys, I think we scared her off for good. She's going home. Let's just try to make it back safe. Thanks for watching.